In this title video, I'll highlight up to 5 current websites and applications that pay you to watch internet videos. Better still, I'll demonstrate how to withdraw money while demonstrating actual earning proof. I'll go over all the specifics and examples on how to make your first $100, $200, or even $500 from anywhere in the world without making any investments. Learn about these 5 websites and programs to increase your profits by watching the complete video. You'll make more money if you use more apps. But before we go deep into the video, welcome to Daily Cash Tips, where we'll teach you the brand new methods to make money online in 2023. Please enjoy and be informed in this video, and remember to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Also, click the notification bell button so that you will get notified every time we release a new money-making video in our channel. Share this with your family and friends so that everyone is aware of this fantastic money-making strategy. If you have any questions, concerns, or thoughts about the video, please leave a comment below. We look forward to reading it. Let's get the video going. FeaturePoints.com is the first website I want to use to demonstrate how you can make money online simply by viewing movies. I know that some of you have already been to this website. Again, you may access this program from anywhere in the globe by downloading it for free from your Google Play or App Store. They have been here for quite a while now, since 2012. There are numerous additional ways to get money, including watching videos, contest surveys, and even cashback. We want to focus on watching videos in this video because it is the fastest, simplest, and most lucrative task you can perform on this site. I'll connect to my account and show you exactly how I'm doing it, so pay close attention. You may sign up on your phone or computer by entering your email address and hitting sign up. These are the items I have in my account. I can withdraw a huge amount of money from this website every day just by leaving the movie running in the background. I simply let my computer or smartphone run automatically while playing as much video as I can in the background. I can earn money by letting the video play in the background even if I don't watch it. I favor withdrawals using PayPal. For instance, I could select cash and any monetary amount I wanted. So I just want with $5. Simply clicking Redeem Reward will prompt a confirmation prompt. 3,000 points are equivalent to $5. Make sure the email associated with your PayPal account is current. My points total has been depleted by 3,000 points, and $5 will now be deposited into my PayPal account as soon as I click here to pay the reward. Confirm my password and then click Submit. You can withdraw your money using a simple process. You will see a number of well-known companies, including Offer2Ro, when you click on Offers in the Offer area. One of the most well-known companies that allows you to view videos and get money is this one. As you can see, if you've accumulated up to 3,000 points, you can keep receiving $5. I'll leave you with one last extra suggestion that enables you to use a variety of gadgets. If you have several laptops and phones, you can watch many videos at once. Just utilize them all to launch various browser tabs. Whenever I use the Google Chrome browser, I can have up to 3 or 4 open tabs. I just let the video run in the background while I went about my other business. Whether I'm sleeping, going out, or just doing my own thing, the video is still playing and I'm still quietly making money. The best aspect is that because I don't have to do any actual work, the money accrues quickly. Simply press the play button to start the video without any prior knowledge. I'll take you step by step through the second website where watching videos can bring in money. This second website, UpNana.com, is also available for download on iOS and Android mobile devices. There are a lot of things you can do, like play games, do surveys, and watch videos. They are using what are known as Nana points, and you can exchange them for real money. Earn Nanas that you can then convert for cash using a number of services, including as PayPal, Skrill, Pioneer, bank transfers, Bitcoin, and many others. Joining the referral program is another way for you to increase your earnings. To access the page where you must enter your details and sign up, simply click this link. Simply follow the instructions above to share the code on Facebook, Twitter, YouTube, or any other site. By just sharing this with a friend, you can create a second money stream while you watch the videos to create a third. Now that has been said, let's move on to the third website, known as MyPoints.com. I like it since they do give you a $10 welcome bonus. You don't have to pay anything to sign up, and they'll give you a $10 welcome bonus as soon as you do. After entering your email address and password, all that is left to do is click the Join Now button. Again, watching videos is just one of many more methods to make money with this app. I'll show you what kinds of movies to watch because they all pay you differently if you stick with me to the end. Some of them pay you more than others, while others give you less. Let me introduce you to the app number 4, App Trailers, which has been very popular over the years and is consistently updated with new versions. Before I show you which videos to concentrate on, recently an update was made available that enables users to make money by watching videos. Because the newest version will pay you significantly more than the older version, which paid you considerably less, this is a terrific chance. Now, if you want to make a lot of money rapidly, I suggest watching at least 3 to 5 films non-stop. In contrast to many other applications, which only scores about 3 stars, they have exceptional ratings with 4.2 stars out of 42,000 reviews. They also have numerous positive client testimonials. Creationsrewards.net is the list's 5th and final website. This app offers a $5 sign-up bonus in addition to the chance to win cash and gift cards by merely watching movies. I should point out that this app has been in existence since 2000 and has been paying customers for 18 years. I concentrate on watching videos and visiting websites, but there are many other activities you can engage in, such as paid surveys, watch videos, visiting websites, online shopping, completing offers, and referring friends and family. They're all fairly simple, even if you have no prior experience. But one fair warning I can give you is that you shouldn't try to do surveys on this website because they pay you very little money, as you can see. The left side of the screen has a number of options, including watch and explore, take surveys, download application, refer friends, and others. There are numerous companies in this area that will compensate you for watching films. A single app with several different well-known and substantial companies. You should be aware that when you log in using a phone, the daily rewards will show up first. Make sure to click on that to receive your daily rewards because you receive bonus extra money every time you log in to your dashboard. Again, make sure to log in every day to receive your bonuses because if you do so for 30 days in a row, more movies will be made available for you to watch, allowing you to earn even more bonus money. That's all for now. I hope that you were able to learn something from this video and that I was able to show you a new method to generate money online. If you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. By clicking the notification bell button, you can be informed when we upload new videos. I'll see you in our forthcoming video, so keep an eye out for that.